trapped inside this spell. Now I feel it. Now I feel it. You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel it. Now I feel it. I can feel it.
This is the quantity for each piece that you should have once you're finished cutting them. I'm laying out the pants. I take 2 of them and 2 of the front pockets. I measure 3.5 inches down and 3.5 inches over, and I cut out that curve for the opening of the front pocket. I cut it on top of the 2 pants so that all the cutouts are even. Then I do a French seam to attach the pocket. As you'll see here, I sew it down and then I flip it over and then sew that down just to have a clean look. I lay both of the front pieces down so that I can mirror them and make sure that I French seam the second pocket on correctly, because if you don't do this, you'll end up with 2 left pants or 2 right pants depending on which one you started with. I grab the 2 back pants pieces and the 2 back pockets. The back pockets are the smaller pocket squares. I sew along the perimeter of the first piece and I turn it inside out, and then I sew the flap to the second pocket piece. So 2 pocket pieces for each back pant leg. I lay both of the back pieces down so that I can align the pockets and make sure the pants are mirroring each other. Like I mentioned earlier, you do not want 2 left legs or 2 right, so it's good to make sure that your pockets are in the right position and everything is correct before you sew the pieces down. I sew the 2 front pants legs by the crotch, and then I sew the 2 back pants legs by the crotch. Once they're sewn together, I lay them on top of each other inverted, so the front pockets facing the back pockets, and then I pin the pants down the sides so that I can sew them down and up the middle. Once the pants legs are sewn together, I turn them inside out to check the seams. Then I grab the pants waistband and I sew them down the left side and up the right side. Once that's sewn, I fold it in half and then I place it around the waistline of the pants, and then I sew that piece together. This is how the waistband should look when you're finished. For the ankle cuffs, there's 1 piece for each ankle. You want to fold that piece in half and then sew down the left and right. And you just attach it the same way you attach the waistband. I use pins whenever I'm sewing waistbands or cuffs because you want the seams to be aligned and you want everything to be centered. Once the cuffs are finished, this is what that should look like. And then I like to just check all the seams on the pants, and if anything needs double stitching, I'll go back and re-sew over that portion. This part is completely optional. This is for the drawstrings. I get 2 eyelets and I attach them to the center of the pants, and then I grab the drawstring, and my choice, I'm using black cord. I cut out 30 inches for the drawstring, and then I use a safety pin to work it through the waistband. If you're making your drawstring with the fabric, you'll need a loop turner and then the safety pin to get it through the waistband. Next, you'll need your hoodie. So you'll grab the 2 top pieces and you want to sew them at the shoulder first. Once the shoulders are attached, you want to grab a sleeve and open up the sleeve. Sew the sleeve to the open armhole of the hoodie. This is what the finished product should look like. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. Once both of the arms are attached, you want to fold the hoodie and sew under the arm and sew down the sides of the hoodie. Next, you want to grab the 4 hoodie pieces. You take 2 of them and sew along the outside. The second pair, you sew those along the outside, and then you line the 2 hoodie pieces up. Once you line the 2 hoodie pieces, you want to place them on top of each other and sew along that perimeter to connect the hoodie. Once you do that, you fold about 1/2 inch of the opening back to make room for that drawstring, and you sew both of those half folds down the sides. This is optional. This is the second drawstring portion. I grabbed 2 eyelets and I attached them to the center of the hoodie. My camera cut off, showing me attaching the wrist cuffs and the waistband to the bottom of the hoodie, but I did the same thing I did with the pants. And then for this drawstring, I cut 28 inches and I attached it with the safety pin just like I did with the pants. I like for my hoodies to have long sleeves and my pants to have long pant legs so that I can adjust how it fits. I also take this time to assess any areas to see if I need to tighten anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.